Running causes the body to get overly exhausted. Shortness of breath is an issue that many individuals face, and some people can only run for a few minutes. As a result, effective breathing methods are required when running to avoid being fatigued rapidly. 1. Use abdominal breathing. When you have short breaths, abdominal or diaphragmatic breathing is extremely crucial since it allows you to get a lot more oxygen. The abdominal cavity is larger than the lungs, which have limited room. Breathing into your chest can generate stress in your shoulders, therefore breathing into your stomach will naturally relax your body. To do so, simply place your hands on your stomach, then stretch your stomach forward as you inhale oxygen and press your stomach in as you exhale oxygen. Do it every time, your body will develop accustomed to it and will become more natural as a result. 2. Breathing exercises. Take time to focus solely on your breath. This helps improve lung function and capacity while developing awareness of your breath. Practice by inhaling through your nose, then out with your mouth. 3. Keep your body shaped while running. Position yourself to facilitate healthy, efficient breathing to enhance your breathing and make running simpler. Maintain proper posture by keeping your head aligned with your spine and avoiding falling down or forward. When running, strive to maintain your body relaxed by keeping your shoulders away from your ears and avoiding slouching or leaning forward. 4. Use your mouth to breathe. The idea is to take in as much oxygen as possible while exhaling as little carbon dioxide as feasible. You can't inhale as much air through your nose as you can through your mouth. As a result, breathing through your lips while running makes logical because you will acquire a lot more oxygen. 5. Breathing rhythm. Regulating your breathing rhythm allows you to take in more oxygen and keeps your body from running out of oxygen too quickly. Try using the 3-to-3 pattern, every 3 steps inhale, every 3 steps exhale, when you're running slowly. Then, increase your breathing rhythm if you want to increase your running speed using a 2-to-2 pattern. If you're increasing your pace again, use a 1-to-1 pattern of breathing, usually used when you're getting to the end of your run. Set the rhythm of breathing according to the speed of running. If you feel uncomfortable with the rhythm, adjust the rhythm of breathing according to comfort.